How can we fix camera quality for our mobile phone here on our mobile phone? So in this video we will just talk about how can we fix the camera quality, or how can you switch to average to highest quality on your iPhone's camera. That is iPhone 11 of me, but if you're using different type of iPhone, maybe iPhone X or iPhone XR. So this video is about both format of mobile phones, that is maybe iPhone X or maybe iPhone XR. So hey guys, just start this video from here. If you're using iPhone X, then you just have to click on the camera option on the right top here like this. And whenever you will click it, there is an option called photo. You will see the home page of your camera here, and click on the left video option here, and you can see whenever you will see on the right top corner of the screen there is resolution called HD 30 fps. You just need to switch it. Whenever you will click on HD, it will convert it to the 4K, and whenever you will click the 30, it will be converted into 60 fps, that is frame rate per second. So this is all about how can you switch these highest quality setting on your iPhone X camera here. And thank you for so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next in the best video with all of you. If you have any type of question, query, or confusion regarding any topics, just drop that topic into the comment section and we will make a separate video on that topic soon.